Hey friends, I have a terrific one that I put on the grill and it's perfect for the holiday that is coming up. So anyway, I did my grilled fajita sausage and it is like a favorite of mine from the fair when I was a kid. So without further ado, let's get started. I will have your ingredients listed below. So anyway, what I've done here is I have cut up all of my vegetables into like a fajita style. And so, which is the pepper blend, which is red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell peppers, and some onion. And now I'm seasoning it with salt, pepper, granulated garlic, because I was gonna use fresh garlic, but I didn't know how that would do on the grills and I didn't want to take a chance. So I'm just gonna season it with that. And then I'm gonna add some dill weed, which is my favorite herb to use over the grill with these fajita vegetables. And then I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil over them to saute it. Now, if you don't want to use olive oil, you can always use avocado oil or whatever oil is your favorite, because of course you are the king or the queen of your castle. And so for me, it's olive oil. And I'm going to toss this around. And then next, I'm not a big sausage eater, but my mom and my family love sausage. So I am using Italian sausage, and it is the combination of the mild and the hot. My family loves spice like me, so I will be adding those on there, but then you'll see me add on some smoked turkey sausage, which is what I will be eating. So anyway, I'm just putting that on there and preparing it to go on the grill, which I will show you this on the grill. So you guys, the next step is the grill. So here we go. I am on this hot, steamy grill with all this smoke, you guys. And I am grilling these vegetables. As you can see now, I have the sausage on the side and I showed you that. So now I'm just showing you me tossing over this vegetable. And like I said, this little tray here is just like awesome for grilling when it comes to vegetables and not wanting to get all down into the grill. So anyway, here you go. Here's the finished product. Here are the wonderful sandwiches. I actually have some wonderful, the garlic herb aioli in the side of those buns, and I will be dropping you that recipe. Thank you for watching and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.